Mahal mo ba si Alex sa bakit hindi ka crush ng crush mo? Do you love him, yes or no?
Alex, yes!
Gusto ko yun, yes!
Parang lahat happy, lahat funny. Parang never sad or dull. Yeah, kapag nandyan si Sia, and he makes me feel good. Parang pinapatawa ka niya. Pag kasama mo siya, tatawa ka na ng tatawa.
You know why I ask? You know why I ask?
Why?
Dahil sa mga nakaraang buwan, sa mga nakaraang linggo, he was there. Pero alam ko, naramdaman ko kung gaano kanya kamahal.
Ay,
Ako
nakakalok.
daw ang nag-propose for Sia.
Saya kasi sa trabaho na sa point na kung gusto mo makita. So, okay na, okay.
To take you where you go.
Papakilala ko lang lahat ng girls sa iyong mama.
But if you ever find yourself
Kaso lang, syempre, hindi naman
tired of all the games you play,
suggestions.
when the world
Naman, sino ba naman hindi magkaka-crush kay Kim Jong-un? Would say na they both believe in true love. Ayaw nila ng madalos-dalos pa. Gusto kong the one talaga. Kim is amazing,
to this ordinary
surprising,
song.
and very, I would say, unexpected
Just an
to me right now.
ordinary
Dahil
song.
lahat ng ginawa niya dito sa movie, parang napangangalak talaga.
Happy being together.
From a simple guy
You don't want to define
who's
it.
so
Parang
in
you're just
love
happy.
with you.
Nothing can define it. Nothing can define it.
The looks
Kim, you
to make you glance my way. The clothes I wear may just seem so absurd,
Laugh all the time. Thank you for listening to all the problems.
but deep
Ba't ka
inside
natatawa?
of me is you. You give life to
Oh,
what
that's
I do.
Yeah.
All those years may see you through. Still I'll be
Siguro
waiting
balik
here
na.
for you.
Ayun,
If you have
thank
time,
you. Thank you
please
for,
lend an ear.
Ba't ka natatawa? Ba't ka natatawa?
Ordinary
Hindi nga,
song.
thank you na nandiyan ka. Thank you na I have someone to talk to. Finally, meron
Just
ng
an
makakaintindi sa akin.
ordinary song
Finally,
to a special
Masaya
girl
na.
like you.
something to look forward to.
From a simple guy
And
who's
then,
so in love